Toxic allows you to map various different MIDI messages from your controller to various different parameters on Toxic's interface. The source can be selected from the drop-down menu you get by left-clicking here, and you can use MIDI controller messages such as Aftertouch to a controller destination on this side, which is obtained in the same way. As you can see, pretty much any parameter in Toxic can be controlled this way. Common assignment could be to have Aftertouch or even the modulation wheel to control the filter cutoff frequency. The amount the control message changes the parameter is set by this value here. This provides a huge amount of control over Toxic when in use. Clicking up in this section will change the interface once again, and will give you access to Toxic's 64-step sequencer. The amount of steps actually used is set by this parameter here, and can be set between 1 and 64. Very often this will be a multiple based on your host's time signature. So often in a 4/4 time, this will be set to 4, 8, 16, 32, or 64. The step sequencer itself is actually switched on by hitting the play button here. Each step of the sequence can play a note that can be adjusted in pitch by the value set here, from -24 semitones up to 24 semitones. You can leave it like this to have a rest in the sequence. If you want to have the note sustain for more than one step, this can be achieved by dragging past the number -24 to the word sus appears. Ping pong works by allowing the sequence to play forward and then playing the sequence in reverse. You can also create a new element by having the Toxic sequencer play completely randomly. Swing mode changes the timing of each individual step, so instead of playing two identically spaced notes, the step sequencer will play randomly or alternatively one note longer than the other. The dual mode allows you to have two independent step sequencers, allowing you to play up to 32 steps. As you can see, the sequencer is actually quite flexible in use, and it comes with some interesting variations of the more normal sequencers found in software instruments.